Hello friends, my name is Aditya and you're watching Tech Me In YouTube channel. Like every day again, I'm here with another zero competition or zero keyword difficulty keyword, and this keyword is attracting a decent traffic from Google. So right now you can see my desktop. I've opened my Href tool and keyword explorer. So the keyword is Rainbow Riches Casino. I have selected here as Google because we will be searching for Google Search Console, and here you can see United Kingdom, that's what I've selected. So before we go ahead, I request you to please subscribe, share, like and comment. Let me click on search now. So here you can see the stats. It is having zero keyword difficulty. That means it's very easy to rank on Google if you write any of the content related to this keyword, that is Rainbow Riches Casino, and you don't need to create any of the backlink at this point of time. But just after releasing this video, I expect this keyword competition will increase because I have seen after creating my videos, people actually get aware for these keywords and they start writing articles on their website. So I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, also press the bell icon, so when I create and upload a video, you are the one to watch this video and you can start acting, so you can be a proactive in that way. Anyways, let's come to the stats. Here you can see the volume 91k, that is 91,000, a CPC of $30. If you get 10 clicks, you can make around $300. So that's really very good. And one more thing, you need to have an AdSense approval on your website, and you should write a decent and plagiarism free content with zero grammatical error. Also, you should write an article which is unique. So here you can see clicks 60,000. So the volume is 91 out of 91 people. Those who are clicking on this related keyword search, these are 60,000. That's really very good number. And here you can see return rate or the RR is 5.57. This is also good. And the global volume is 91k. It's similar to United Kingdom, or you can see the volume and global volume is same because this keyword is attracting traffic only from United Kingdom. Let's scroll down. Here you can see the keyword ideas by search volume, but here you can see Rainbow Riches Casino is having 91,000 traffic. On the other side, Casino Rainbow Riches is having only 10 of volume. That means only 10 people are searching in a month for that. But for your help and for your easiness, I've already explored and searched all the related keywords for this focus keyword, and I have already noted down on my website. You can go to techmein.in. We need to go to blog section, and here you can see this keyword Rainbow Riches Casino. You need to click on that. Once you click here, you can see the stats, analytics, a screenshot here. Also, you can see the related keywords for this focus keywords. Let's come back to the keyword explorer. Here you can see the SCRP. So I have seen for most of the SCRP score is coming only from the rainbowrichescasino.com. So you have pretty high chance to rank your article or content on Google with this keyword. So that was all in this video. I request you again to subscribe, like, share my YouTube channel.